Hello and welcome to another update video about DOT. DOT has shown a reaction where it needed to keep the yellow scenario alive. We only talked about it in yesterday's video that yep, the white count and the yellow count are both possible. To really keep the yellow count alive, the price needs to show a reaction in this region, or needed to, because the reaction has shown, and hold ideally above Monday's low. If this breaks, well, okay, we still have the $6.28 level, but that would already indicate weakness. So in the yellow count, which is the ideal one, because then at least we have 5 waves up. So one more high would be needed, and the $10.21 level is the first target. Better, $10.83, and further extensions always possible. In this wave count, the price formed of the October lows a wave 1, a wave 2, a wave 3. That's all good. A deep wave 4, but never broke support. And if it can really do this wave 5, that would be ideal, because afterwards we can put onto the chart the support area for wave 2. I would call that a wave 1. And the ABC pullback afterwards in a wave 2 should then hold a higher low. That's the ideal scenario, okay? And I would very much like to see that, because this gives us a 5-wave move up. That always gives us a little bit more clarity. The alternative would also be potentially bullish, but less bullish and more uncertain, yeah, less clear. But that's what I discussed in the last video as well, that out of this structure, if we see a break below 628, an ABC structure can form. So the problem would be that this would be a 3-wave top, ABC. This move down would be an A wave. We would now see a B wave rally and then a C wave down. This B wave might still be forming, okay? So it would literally, what distinguishes these two counts? It will be the next move down, the next, let's say, pullback. If in the next move down we're forming a higher low, then this is the yellow B wave of wave 5 in yellow, okay? So at the moment it seems like we're forming an A wave as a flat structure after wave 4 bottomed here on Wednesday last week. A, B, C in wave A. That would be what I see right now in the yellow count. Then a corrective B wave pullback forming a higher low would be a setup for a C wave higher. If, however, and that's why I say the next move will tell us a lot, is this could also be a flat structure in white wave B. And if the next move down is impulsive, which means we see a first small 5-wave move down and a 3-wave rally, that would be a short setup for wave C. So again, it's a small time frame, so it's difficult to say, but you can also say, okay, against the last swing low, we can focus on the yellow count, because if this one is taken out, this one at 680, that likely already includes the or increases probabilities for the white count. So it's literally, I mean, however you want to say it, right? You can watch the structure, but needs a lot of babysitting. Not so easy to spot. To be honest, in the white count, the last swing low should really be holding. So one way of dealing with it is to just watch the last swing low if that's holding. And yeah, the $10.21 level would be my minimum expectation. Better $10.83. So far looking good. I mean, it showed a lot of weakness, but it did hold support. So let's see. And this would be the ideal structure if yellow can form the 5 waves, because again, you know, when if the white structure forms and it's an ABC structure, what happens afterwards? It's unclear. It's always unclear if you get 3 waves up in total. That is a mess, because yeah, it can always form a larger ABC, but it could also send it to new bear market lows. Very, very difficult. This would just be a larger corrective structure. So let's all hope for a 5-wave move, and I will keep you updated. So that's my update about DOT. Hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership. Also, make sure that you follow us on Instagram and Twitter for additional content. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye-bye.